Friends, welcome to our listing here in 10361 North Kendall Drive. This place is ready to sell. The biggest challenge with many of the condo units here is that they don't have reserves or they don't have the 40-50-year certification, the engineering certification for the structural integrity of the buildings. Well, here they do. So this is ready to sell. Now, it's a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium, 954 square foot with lots of renovations. Let's take a quick tour so you can get a quick look at it. And there's a Starbucks right across the street, and traditionally Starbucks are indicators that real estate is going to go up because they have their analysts doing all the research in advance to make sure that they put Starbucks in places that are going to flourish productively. So that's a good sign. Also, there's a UFC gym right across also. Huge place, lots of restaurants right here on North Kendall Drive. Give me a call.